What up everybody, Neil here. I'm here with another video about my computer setup, and wow, it's 2019. You got the brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro with the better keyboard and separate ESC button. Kind of nice, right? And the coronavirus hits. Now you gotta work from home, so rather than just typing here flat on your computer, on your desk, you're gonna get a computer stand or a Mac stand. And I thought of this problem when I was back in China, and now I got this URGREEN, or in Chinese we call them Lyulian, the brand, to produce one of these MacBook stands. Back in the days, about 3 months ago, this costed me 129 Chinese RMB, which is equivalent to $18.21 after conversion. So this thing has 3 different modes and one huge advantage over other stands, which I'm gonna be talking about in this video, and also do a comparison with the new American counterpart product that I bought more recently. So as we said, this URGREEN brand was founded in 2009 and registered in 2012 from Shenzhen, China. The 3 modes are, first of all, if you can see this is the most basic one, where you're gonna have a little more tuning typing experience. The second one would be if you also turn this up. That's very high, so you almost got a flat typing experience. I think this one is better if you have a different separate keyboard setup and a mouse, so you want to keep it in a distance and raise it up a little bit. It's kind of like a raising up stand for MacBooks. If you don't want it that high and you still want it higher than the first mode, you have a third mode in between. So this is gonna still give you a little tuning typing experience while raising the screen up a little bit. So it's a good middle ground in between. The one huge advantage that this thing has over the other products is that it's totally foldable. So it's really light and you can fold it basically to one piece. So it easily slips into your bags. You can keep it in the document part where it's gonna fit really well, and just take it to a cafe, fold it up, change to your desired height, and start working. But we are doing a comparison video, so besides the URGREEN brand, we're introducing this baby. So this is the 2019 Curve MacBook stand. Black version. They recently released the white version as well. You could check it out from their website, doing a huge promo. This video is not sponsored, but I really like them. I also personally use their AirPods products, their AirPods case, which is really nice. So this brand, TwleveSouth, is an American brand that's founded in Charleston, South Carolina in 2009. This stand itself costed me $47.19 after tax and shipping. I live in California, pretty heavy taxes here, so it might be different in your case. This thing looks pretty good. I haven't started opening it yet, so let's do the unboxing first. So from the outlook, the packaging is obviously a lot better than the $20 option we got from China. Apparently this is recommended to have a keyboard and separate mouse, a screen setup, so as to raise up, because even though it's tilted, I think it might be a little bit too high, but who knows, we're gonna figure out. So this raised screens off desktop for improved ergonomics and airflow, just like what we need in this time of crisis of working from home. Paired with full-size keyboard and mouse for comfortable desktop setup. Well, it actually recommends a keyboard and a mouse. So use alongside an external display for ultimate dual screen workstation, exactly like what we have. It's a sculpted alumni design, fits all models for MacBook and other laptops. Well, this is the 2015 model. They don't have the separate ESC, but in our case, we have the better one. Yay! All right, let's start unboxing it. It says desktop stand for MacBook and laptops. Raise your screen for more comfortable desktop use. The same black premium quality page. Some more information, disclaimer about it. Oh my god, that's pretty good. All right, after removing this outer package, you're gonna be left with a black box. You open it up like you would with many other boxes. Remove it here. easy. Get it up. The inside is orange. It comes with good old-fashioned menu. And it comes, here it goes. 12 dollars, why not? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Costing me 50 bucks. There we go. Oh my god, I can hear the sound of aluminum right there. Okay. I put it the other way, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's unwrap this baby. As you can tell from the very beginning, it comes with a lot more packaging than the $20 option. It has the brand 12, as in the 12 dollars. As is the same with the box inside the box. The aluminum quality is pretty good. There's a little dent here. I don't know why. Probably there's almost identical dent on the other side. Well, we don't want to be artists here, right? No perfectionists right here. So this is like a resistance kind of matte feeling, like a cushion for better holding and stabilizing your computer. Let's see if there's the same in the back. Nope. Oh, there's a better, different material, similar to what you find typically underneath your laptops. Curved TwleveSouth, made in China. So like I said, this color has been released for a couple of years now, but it looks still pretty fashion because TwleveSouth is really specialized in producing accessories for Apple, and this just goes with it. Let's do a little comparison. So if you actually use this stand like we would, it's raised up. You don't want to type on this. It's a little bit more tilted, but when you type, it's gonna easily push down and get squibbling the whole stand. But it looks pretty nice. We're gonna do a different shots later on how it looks. So this is with the TwleveSouth stand. I think it's way higher than the URGREEN option, but it looks way better. We're gonna do shots later on to compare the different heights in the two products, but this one also has the advantage of being higher up, so it's actually raised a lot more higher than the URGREEN does. So it's better for a dual screen setup, but you'd have to use a separate keyboard because this one is not stable enough for you to type on it like by itself on the upgraded keys for the 16 model. Well, it looks better, but unfortunately you first of all need another keyboard. Secondly, you would have to not take it around. It's more of a stationary option for people that are using it rather than just keep it in your bag like the URGREEN. But they are pretty good products. This one's twice the price, but I feel like it's worth it. And let's check some shots for it. Thanks for watching. Comment below, subscribe to the channel, keep the conversation going, and you have a good one. Peace out.